Hello, everybody. Before I start with this mini lesson, I want to show you something that I found out about this camera that I'm using on the computer. So, what color is the wall behind me right now? It's white, right? Okay, I'm going to show you this blank piece of paper and watch the color of my wall. Whoa, it turned yellow. Yellow, actually, the color of my wall is yellow. Now, watch what happens when I move this away. It goes back to being white. Huh? That's kind of cool. So for today's mini lesson, I want to talk to you about this word. All right. Some of you know this word. Some of you are going to have to sound it out. I hope you hear gratitude. Gratitude. Go ahead and say it 3 times. Gratitude. 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 What does it mean? What does gratitude mean? Well, I looked up where the word started from, and it came from a long time ago. It's based on the word gratis, and gratis means thankful, pleasing. So you have that, and the last part of it sounds like attitude. So you kind of combine those two words, and you have thankful attitude, and that's a good way to describe gratitude. That is being thankful. Now, not just thankful for, oh, you gave me this, but also thankful for things that are going on around you. So, for instance, the beautiful day outside. I am thankful that the sun is shining and I get to go outside. That's gratitude. Or when someone does something really nice for you and it makes you feel good. Oh, thank you for sharing your toy with me. That just made me feel really good. I was so excited when you shared that with me. How do you think that other person feels when they hear that? They feel good too, don't they? Okay, that's one of those cool things about gratitude. It helps us feel better, but also helps other people feel better. I actually looked up some benefits. Why should we have this attitude of gratitude, of being thankful? Well, scientists have looked up and researched different things, and they have found that having this gratitude helps you in a lot of different ways. One, it helps you think differently. It helps you be more positive. And what that means is when things aren't going well, you're still able to find something good. Well, I am glad or I am thankful for something. And that can be hard when you're focusing on the negative. But when you focus on positive and good things, it helps you. Also, people that express gratitude are more likely to have more friends because people want to be around people who are nice and thankful and polite, don't they? Also, people that have gratitude also tend to be more forgiving towards other people. They have learned how to let things go and look at things positively. They tend to be more helpful people and they tend to be more outgoing and feel like they have better friends. But not just your friends, but also helps you. It helps your health. I know that sounds weird, right? You're not as stressed. You don't get as upset. You have more positive feelings. You have more joy in your life. People that have gratitude tend to be more alert and awake. So that's kind of a cool thing, right? And guess what? There's more. It actually helps you physically. Your your immune system, the part of your body that fights germs and infection, tend to be stronger, so you're not likely to get sick. You also have lower blood pressure, and people that have gratitude tend to exercise more. We know exercise is really good for you, and they tend to sleep better and longer and feel better when they wake up in the morning. So gratitude helps you socially, mentally, and physically. So, how do we get this attitude of thankfulness? Well, it's a little hard. It is hard. It's not always easy. So, what I'm going to do is I am going to help you find ways to be thankful, to find to start having gratitude in your life. And it's not really that hard. Small little steps can help you. So, one simple step you can do, it may be before you go to bed at night. Think of one thing you are thankful for. And to make it even more fun for you, maybe you could make a list. You can make a list. You could draw a picture of different things. I know some people have what they call a gratitude journal. So what it is like a little journal, and they write things that they are thankful for. And they try not to repeat the same thing. That can be all challenging. But what it does, it makes you look around your world and your life and try to find positive things in it. One thing I want you to try, if you want to, is get a piece of paper. And I did this with the alphabet. So I have A through Z, and try to come up with something that you are thankful for. I start with with these letters. Now I know some of them be a little bit tricky, like X might be a little bit tricky, or Z, or even Q. Okay, but what this does is kind of makes you start looking for that positive thing that you're grateful for, the thing that you're thankful for. Another thing, instead of doing these letters, you can just do numbers. And that's just another way to keep track of different things. And when you have a list or a journal, something like that, what they do is they help you when things aren't going well. You can go back to them and look a moment and say, oh, yeah, I remember. I love it when it's sunny outside. I get to go outside with my family. And that's what I do here. Me, my wife, and our son. Not, well, son, not son. Okay? So gratitude is being thankful. It's having that attitude. It can be a challenge to find it, but once you start doing it on a regular basis, it becomes easier. And you'll notice that you see things differently, you feel things differently, and you feel things differently. So start having that attitude of gratitude, that thankfulness. And I'll show you that word one more time. And there goes the wall again. How cool is that, huh? So gratitude, attitude of thankfulness. Go ahead and start keeping track of that today, and let me know how it goes for you. You can have your family email me. It's anthony.rapport at k12.sd.us. They don't know it, they can ask their teachers, and the teachers can email them as well. I'd like to hear from you. How did this go? Have a good day.